What is the process of dominant follicle ovulation?
Hello, and welcome to our video about the fascinating process of dominant follicle ovulation. Today, we're delving into the world of human reproduction to better understand one of the key processes that takes place in the female body every month. Ovulation is an integral part of the menstrual cycle, and it centers around the journey of the dominant follicle. Let's dive right in.
What is a follicle?
A follicle is a fluid-filled sac located in the ovaries. Each follicle contains an immature egg, or oocyte. At the start of each menstrual cycle, multiple follicles begin to mature in a process driven by the hormone called follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH.
What is the dominant follicle?
As the follicles mature, usually one follicle outpaces the others and becomes the dominant follicle. This follicle is the one that will eventually release its egg for potential fertilization. The dominant follicle's growth and development is stimulated and maintained by a hormone called estrogen.
How does the dominant follicle ovulate?
Once the dominant follicle reaches a certain size, usually around 18 to 20 millimeters, it is ready to ovulate. The pituitary gland in the brain releases a surge of luteinizing hormone, LH, commonly known as the LH surge. This triggers the dominant follicle to release its mature egg, a process known as ovulation. The egg is then swept into the fallopian tube where it awaits possible fertilization.
What happens after ovulation?
After ovulation, the dominant follicle transforms into the corpus luteum, a structure that secretes progesterone. This hormone prepares the uterus for potential implantation of a fertilized egg. If fertilization does not occur, the corpus luteum degenerates, progesterone levels drop, and a new menstrual cycle begins with the shedding of the uterine lining, menstruation. And that, friends, wraps up the incredible journey of the dominant follicle. We've learned how it develops, ovulates, and even what happens post-ovulation. As you can see, the process of ovulation is a carefully choreographed dance of hormones and cellular events. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has illuminated the intricate beauty of the human reproductive cycle for you.